Community has always been at the heart of Alberta Blue Cross, not only with your health coverage it provides, but the meaningful impact it leads to. Today we're exploring how that commitment comes to life by speaking to Narissa Kanji, the Director of Community Impact at Alberta Blue Cross. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. So Alberta Blue Cross is known for health benefits. So why is community investment such a core part of your work?
And you nailed it on the head right away. You said the heart of what we do, and it is seriously the heart of what we do. And we really see it as twofold. We do provide health benefits, but we also want to invest directly back into the community with their health and well-being. And we do that many different ways through our grants. So we'll do a Built Together grant, which is free infrastructures like playgrounds and ice skating rinks and walking trails. We'll do the Community Wellbeing grant, which is micro grants all across the province, providing social, mental, and physical well-being opportunities. And then we'll do scholarships. So we're in every post-secondary accredited across the province. We provide scholarships, Indigenous scholarships as well. And we really see the impact that we're able to make directly back into Albertans with their health and well-being. We want to ensure Albertans live well through our health benefits, but also on the community side too. And we know when we invest right back into our community, not only does it make it healthier, but it's also stronger, and that really benefits us all.
Absolutely. So it's nice to know that, Alberta Blue Cross has these various programs, sponsorships provided for Albertans. You're not just a health coverage.
Exactly. And that's what we really want to say. So we're right alongside Albertans. We want to be with you every age, every stage of your life, whether it's through our health benefits, but also through maybe a program that you've interacted with, that we've supported, or a playground that we've helped build. We really want to ensure that Albertans, we really want to make sure that you're healthy, strong, and that you have access to these resources and support to live well. And we really want to say, we're more than a health benefits provider, we're really Albertans as well.
Yes, which is, such a big purpose. So you support communities in several different ways. You've kind of said a couple things here, but how would you describe the programs and how they fit together?
Yeah, so a way that we work with our community is many different ways. We want to really ensure that we're being able to pivot and meet Albertans where they're at. So that's through the grants that we get to do. So the Built Together grant, that's 50 grants, 5 of them each year across the province. The Community Wellbeing grant, which is open right now. And last year we offered 50 grants. This year we're 75 of micro grants because the need is so high. And these are really programs like community gardens, wellness kits, grassroots initiatives that are making such a difference. And then scholarships that help alleviate the barriers. And then we work with nonprofits across the province to really ensure that these supports are being able to be readily available for Albertans, and we're able to provide more access, more spaces, more support as well.
Just more. I love that. So when people ask about impact, how do you exactly explain it beyond the numbers?
I know it can get, when you look at the impact, you can get really boggled down with the amount that you're investing or the participation rate. But for us, it's the true impact that we're making. And through my job, I get to see the amazing stories firsthand. It's the single mom that now has a recipient of our scholarship that doesn't have to worry about financial barriers as much. It's the student that never had a playground and now can go play with their students side by side. It's the senior that was isolated and now has a place to go to connect with their community. So it's really those individual stories, and that we're so happy that we're able to invest directly back into our community each year. We invest over $1 million every year, and we really want to work side by side with our community to ensure that their well-being is taken care of.
That's amazing. So I start this sentence lightly. Spring and summer is around the corner, and it's one of the busiest seasons for community impact. So can you share some of the ways that you'll be connecting with communities across the province?
Yeah. That's one thing I love about our province, is the summer and springtime is the most fun that we get to go out. There's always a festival that we're able to go outside, connect with each other. We love to come out as much as we can. So we'll be out all summer. If you're at the Fringe, if you're at the summer games in Strathcona, if you're at Pride, or even the Children's Festival in St. Albert, look for us, come say hi. We always love to connect with our community.
Yes, and I can't wait till we finally get those festivals underway. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. For more on what we discussed, you can go ahead and visit Alberta Blue Cross online at ab.bluecross.ca, or feel free to follow them on their social media channels.